I am leaving to go to Tokyo for the first time in my entire life with Shiseido. I can't wait, you guys. We're doing so much sightseeing and we're celebrating a new launch from Shiseido, and I want to show you all the behind the scenes of everything that's happening. I am currently packing right now, not doing a very good job at it. All right, I gotta finish packing, so I will see you guys in Tokyo or maybe at the airport, TBD. I know I look insane, but honestly, I really don't care because my skin is gonna love me. And the dude next to me probably thinks I'm crazy, but whatever. Gotta do what you gotta do, all right? The jet lag is so real. So we are going to dinner to go get some noodles. I promise I'm gonna start being cute starting tomorrow, but I can't be bothered today with makeup. It's just not happening. I can't do it. I can't do it. I honestly don't even know what I just threw on right now. Randomly, you guys, it's from Ann Taylor, but I don't know. It felt very Tokyo to me. But if I wear these glasses, you can't tell that I have no makeup on, right? When in Tokyo, peeps. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this view. Oh my gosh. For like 2 seconds, I forgot I was in Tokyo, but I'm here. Is this for real? Day one with Tiffany and Shanae. Hey. You guys, we just freaked out because we saw Shake Shack. It's like we're still in America. Those are little children in a yellow cart that says school bus. Dead. Just another day in Tokyo. Does anyone know the history of this that they can share?
No, I'm gonna have to ask Elizabeth.
Oh yeah, duh, I forgot we have a tour guide.
They gave the power back to the emperor. And so this shrine was built to honor him. It was finished in 1920.
We're gonna go wash our hands before we walk into the shrine.
And then you pour a little bit in your right hand. The water rolls down your handle.
Just putting the hand up.
Yep.
Okay.
And then you touch it to your lips.
Yeah. At Fenty Beauty. Yeah. Now we enter the shrine.
Is that it?
You did it.
Okay.
I just gave my offering, but we got yelled at when we have the camera out, but I get it. It's supposed to be a peaceful Zen moment. Really cool though. Harajuku peeps, we're here. Gwen Stefani, I'm channeling you right now. It's actually not that chaotic because, oh, it is a Monday. People are at, like, I don't know, work. Let's do some damage, peeps. Sensory overload. Did you just find your boyfriend?
I think this is a mail order boyfriend.
Okay, so apparently vending machines here all have really funny, interesting things. This is coffee.
With coconut.
With coconut.
Wait, should we get it and try it on camera? Okay.
Do you have actual money?
Yeah.
Money to blow as we're
Can you
shopping.
lay down the
People come prepared and other people don't. Me.
Right. Push a button to choose a drink. That one's out.
No! Fail. All right, well, we got it a mini Coke. Yeah, but sometimes the Coke tastes different. In India, the Coke tastes different than it does in America. Hallie almost got convinced into buying a $130 sweatshirt that was real. They have Chanel sweatshirts too. Let's use our brains, people. I'm really on trend here with my plaid skirt. Hello. Check it out. Schoolgirl vibes. It's trending. Tokyo. I got you. I know what's up. Wait, I need this. OMG, Beauty and the Beast pajamas, dead. I feel like I'm wearing this wrong. I'm sorry. I think that I need this panda top or this super sequence jersey. Let me see that, baby. I feel like we need matching ones.
Yeah.
Cats. Oh my God.
I'll pack.
Oh. Wow. I would wear this, like tucked into something. Maybe once. You're so cool. Look at you.
Thank you.
I came to Tokyo to look like you. Everyone here has really big eyes like me. My eyes are trending in Tokyo. This girl just pulls out an I can't. Just had to get these pink sunglasses. It just felt so Tokyo. Am I right? Tokyo? You are nothing I expected you to be in the coolest possible, most random, surprising ways.
We're at Yanmar, and we're gonna eat a traditional Japanese menu called teishoku. So it's gonna come in little parts. So we have the raw fish, and we have our pickles. This is a vegetable with some tofu on top.
I don't think they're ready for this jelly. What are your thoughts on the jelly situation?
It's sweet, and then at the end it's like, it's grapefruit.
It's like a sour patch.
It's grapefruit.
They serve rice after the meal just to fill you up, which is different. The other thing I learned is I'm a failure at chopsticks and need to like carry around a fork with me, but that's not socially acceptable around here. I just decided we're in the meatpacking of Tokyo. What's your one-word reaction?
Creamy.
Your turn.
Not the ground.
We are now at the spa at the hotel. Are you kidding me? This is beautiful. Oh my God. Ginger green tea, thank you. You're my hero. You're my hero. I know I don't have any other case study to tell you guys, but all I know is the Andaz is epic. The amazing spa woman just asked me if I like Trump. No. It was on my stomach. Wow, that feels so good.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Is this removing the makeup?
Yes.
I just put on a little makeup this morning, that's all. Just a little bit. Wow. Ooh. Feels really good. Wearing a nasty gal dress in red. I have some Hollywood tape on. One moved the wrong way and there could be a little incident situation. Yes, yes. So beautiful. This is like my two favorite things, alcohol and dessert in one. And it's socially acceptable. Oh, that's good. My salad is in a bag. My salad is in a bag. What are your thoughts?
It's a mixture of flavors.
This is a fragrant squash soup with a little cutesy surprise in it. I don't know what to do with it though, so I'm just gonna put it back. Taste test number 500. Oh. How do you drink it? That's nice, cute.
Like every... So good.
Happy to hear you like that.
If there's a cute way to drink that, I didn't do it.
Yeah. Is this what that is?
I cannot do this. Okay, so this is like a beef tenderloin, those mashed potatoes. Our wonderful hosts, hello. Aww. This apparently has Pop Rocks in it. Do you just bite into it? Uh-huh. Oh. I cheated, guys. Obviously. We find our way to the rooftop bar. You guys were legit in New York City. This is my happy place. Tokyo, this city is just so incredibly beautiful and the people are amazing and it just really took me by surprise, to be totally honest. It's just been really fun. I'm just so tired the jet lag is still like there, but I love it here. Today's vibes, professional. Shoes are Who What Wear Target. Jeans are Madewell, belt is Gucci. Ann Taylor Loft blazer. Alison Olivia sweater. It actually has a cutout on the shoulder. And a NARS lippy. I feel very sophisticated. Now I'm gonna go downstairs, meet the girls, and head out for the day. Wait, you can touch this? What happens? I am God. In today's tales of trying random Japanese food, Haichu's favorites of mine, but of course,
Coca-Cola
flavored. Of course, she picked the Coca-Cola flavor. You're literally chewing on Coke.
I wish it would have like fizzies in it. You know what they should do? They should put Haichu's and put Pop Rocks inside of them.
Genius.
This is an exciting time of change and amazing energy for brand Shiseido.
We have created skincare that taps into a new energy.
Take the Essential Energy Moisturizing Cream container. Notice how it feels against your palms and fingers. Now, open the cap and please breathe in the fragrance. The rose, the jasmine.
I will never look at a moisturizer the same way again.
Will be run individually.
Apparently we're on like the 5th Avenue of Tokyo, but there's Louis, Vuitton, Versace, Chanel. Tokyo's weather is incredible. Elevator etiquette, you get on the left and people walk on the right.
Escalator.
Oh man! You can get this on Amazon. And this on Amazon. Are we in America or Tokyo? TBD. guys, how cute is this read? Success Steps, a famous samurai named I can't even try, went up and down the stairs riding a horse. Since then, he succeeded in his life. I need to go up and down the stairs. I need some good luck. Wait, hold up. Those look like a lot of stairs. Will it be half the success if I go up half the stairs? I'm at least gonna touch the stairs. I touched them. Success. You know, just another day in Tokyo. Not like I'm trying to fit in or anything.
Literally like business people and you.
We are going to apparently, which is going to be the nicest restaurant experience that we've had thus far. I'm in this nasty gal dress. I love my dress, but you know what I love even more? These sneakers. They're staying on. IDGAF. Sometimes the best thing a girl can wear is comfort.
Live in the moment.
What's the restaurant called?
Yakumo
Yakumo. Elizabeth said it's a 2-hour dining experience?
At least.
At least. So there's courses and we're not allowed to bring out cameras and I feel very stressed and sad about it. Who are they talking to? No cameras allowed. Live in the moment. So yesterday we had the absolute most surreal dining experience of my entire life. It's like a Michelin rated restaurant. If you guys ever get the opportunity to go to this place, you have to. I felt like we rented out the whole thing like it was an Airbnb. It was just such a cool experience. I'm hesitant to tell you guys this because I still think everyone should go to this restaurant. My body just kind of has had a lot of raw fish and I woke up at 3 in the morning and just puked my brains out, you guys. Just ordered some French toast situation with a side of ginger ale and some coffee. I don't really know if this is the smartest decision, but hey, it's what's happening right now. I literally laid in bed all day because I felt sick. It is my last day here. Actually, there is a car coming in an hour to take me to the airport. Super depressing, but nonetheless, this trip has been absolutely incredible. So we just got these sent to our room, which is really exciting. So I have all 3 of them here. So there is the Essential Energy Moisturizing Gel Cream, and then there is the Moisturizing Cream, just the normal one that's not in gel form, and then there's this Day Cream, which has SPF built into it, so specifically for daytime has SPF 20 inside of it. They're all the same thing. Honestly, they said that it was about a preference of what you like. Do you like gel textures more? Do you like cream textures more? And do you like SPF in your products? The whole line is for millennials that are entering into their 30s and their 30s, aka me. I'm on the entering 30s part, just saying. As you enter your 30s, your skin starts to change. You know, Shiseido's all about their science and technology. They've been researching, and these are their first products that have this Renura technology inside of it. Honestly, guys, I don't know if I was drinking the Kool-Aid, but it really made me ooh and ah. Ooh, ah. What all this really means and what I got out of it, because I was kind of is that there's a lot of technology that went into this and they haven't invested this much technology since 2014. So it's a really big launch for them. The packaging is this beautiful white, you know, when I think of Shiseido, I think of this serum that's in this red, but I think they wanted to feel new energy, new life. And there's all these 3 different ones. There's just so much detail. Ooh, ah. I want them to make this into a hand cream is what I learned. I like the scent, but it does have a scent to it. So you guys just need to go into a retail store to smell it if you are really particular about scents. It is the morning and I'm about to go to the airport. So I'm gonna specifically put on the SPF 20 on my face. You immediately feel the softness on your skin. I carry it down to my neck. It's a new thing I'm doing. I want my neck to feel nice and young and rejuvenated, just like my face. I'm just saying. So it's under $50. It's definitely a product that you're putting money into, but I always say that if you're gonna invest in something, make it your skincare. Your makeup is only as good as your skin looks, right? I feel what I've learned in this whole trip is that Shiseido is a brand that really invests in their technology. They noticed that there was a shift in social media and there was a shift in how people were buying products. And bringing people like me who are on YouTube, it's just so cool that they recognize that, and I think it's just so awesome, and I feel so beyond grateful that I could be one of those people. Puking and all, it was worth it. So now I go pack for the airport. Tokyo, you are incredible. Thank you so much for the surprises. These past few days have been incredible. I cannot wait to come back. I gotta go to other places in Japan, man. Kyoto is calling my name, and I feel I've only touched the surface of everything I wanna do, so you will see me soon, and arigato. Did I say that right? Let's check. It means thank you. Arigato. I tried. Goodbye.